Hi everyone. Today's video we are going to look at Excel's amazing feature which allows you to decide on a loan which would work out very comfortable for you. Here we are talking about taking a loan from the bank. Okay, so in this case we have the loan required. We require a loan of 10 lakhs. The bank would require you to have a 20% down payment. The rate of interest is 9.5% and the period in which we are going to repay the loan is 24 months, and the down payment works out to around 2 lakhs. So the actual loan taken is 8 lakhs, and at 9.5% I need to pay an EMI of 85,706.81 per month. Okay, so this is the calculation we have with us, but we would like to compare different banks and then decide on the most suitable one for us. So we can do this by going to the data tab in Excel and going to what if analysis, and you have the scenario manager here. Here we can create for the different banks the scenario and then try to look at it. So for this we'll click on add. So let's say the first bank we are looking at is State Bank of India. Which provides you a loan at 10%. So we want to change the changing cell. We want to change the rate of interest. So this is the cell we are supposed to select, right? So this cell will change, and we will prevent any changes and say OK. So it will say what is the rate of interest we are looking at. Let us look at an interest rate of 9%. 9.5 is already there. We'll look at an interest of 10% and 10.5%. Okay. So for this, we will make this as 9% and say add. The scenario gets added and it asks you for the next one. So let's look at Bank of India, which will again we are going to change the cell D6 and we are going to prevent any changes. Say OK, and here we will give an interest rate of 10%, that is 0.1, and say OK. Sorry, click on add. Then the next, let us look at Canara Bank. Again, we are going to change D6 cell, say OK, and here we will make this as 0.105, that is 10.5%. Now we will click on OK, because we have all our scenarios ready for us. Now we would like to see the comparison and see what would be the EMI rates at the different levels. For this, we'll click on summary. So in summary, it will say, I'm ready to make the summary for you, but what is the cell that should change? So EMI is the cell that should change. So we'll select that here and then click on OK. So we have the summary right in front of us now. So the current value at 9.5%, we were giving 85,706. State Bank of India at 9%, we will be giving 82,418. Bank of India at 10%, we will give 89,039. And Canara Bank at 10.5%, will give 92,414. In this manner, we can create a lovely scenario for us to actually understand what we require for our loan requirement. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you'll enjoy doing this and finding out more about it.